students, today you have to deal with the mathematical tools that is based upon the trigonometry. And in class 10th, you have ideas about the trigonometry. I don't want to discuss more about the portion whatever taught in class 10. And here I want to give some ideas regarding the trigonometry which mostly used in physics. And you know that trigonometry, the ratios you must be knowing about sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta, like that you know all these ratios of trigonometries. And the values also you know it, that is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree, like that you know the values of trigonometry. That things you have to remember carefully. I will send you that trigonometric ratios and formulas. But here some ideas I want to give you here about the angle. What is the angle? Angles are measured by the degrees and radians. Degrees and radians. And if you think about the circle, at the center of the circle, the angle whichever is formed is 360 degree. You all of you know 360 degree and 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. So what is that radian? Radian means to tell, suppose it is the angle, this is the angle and this is the arc. This is the arc and this is the radian. That is the R and length is arc L. If the arc L will be equal to the R, if the arc L will be equal to the R, that is the radius of the circle, the angle whichever is subtended at the center is called 1 radian. So 1 radian equal to, simply write 1 radian equal to the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center by the arc of length is equal to the radius of the circle. Means if L will be equal to R, whatever the angle is formed is called the radian. And from this formula you know it, that is theta equal to L upon R. If theta equal to L upon R, if L will be equal to R, then theta equal to 1 radian. You know it. And about the radian and degrees, you must be knowing. And for that also, I want to discuss it here in physics. So first of all, the 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. Clear? And what will be the 1 degree? So 1 degree will be equal to 2 pi upon 360, that is pi by 180 radian. I am not using all these things. I want this value. If you calculate pi upon 180, what is the value of pi? That is 22 by 7. Or the pi value is 22 by 7. You know that pi equal to 22 by 7, that is equal to 3.14. If you put the values here, and you can get the value, that is 1.746 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. All of you remember this value, because I will use these values always. 1 degree equal to 1.746 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. And similarly, 1 degree, you know it, that is equal to 60 minute. Minute means that is arc minute. 60 minute, that is the arc minute. I am not talking about the time minute. 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60 second. So what is the 60 minute? 60 minute will be equal to 60 into 60 second. That is the arc second. So 1 degree equal to 60 minute. That is equal to 3600 second. So suppose if you talk about the degrees and minute, what will be the values? Suppose for example, suppose I want to tell one example. What is the value of the pi sine pi by 2? If it is written like that, pi sine pi by 2. Pi sine pi by 2. You know that sine pi by 2 equal to sine 90 degree. This is equal to sine 90 degree. This pi by 2 means 90 degree. Pi by 2 if you convert here, that is pi equal to 180 degree and pi by 2 equal to 90 degree. So sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree, the value of sine 90 degree, know it 1. So what will be its value? What for this pi you want to put it here? For this pi you have to put it here 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into sine pi by 2 equal to 1, that is equal to 22 by 7, that is 3.14. So that my point of telling is that whenever the pi is inside the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, like that, it is immediately you are converting into the degrees and you are finding the values. Whenever this pi will be coming out of the sines trigonometric ratios, that it stands for the value, that is 22 by 7. All of you are clear? Whenever the pi inside the ratios, sine, cos, tan, so you simply convert it into the degrees and find its value. And whenever this pi comes out of that trigonometric ratios, that we can put its value directly 22 by 7, that is 3.14. And in this manner, you must be knowing that the tan 30 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 60 degree, all this know. And tan 30 degree, you are knowing that tan sine 30 degree. You are knowing the values of 30 degree and above. Sometimes you will be finding the values less than the 30 degree in physics. So what will be the, if I talk about the, what will be the tan 5 degree? If I talk about the tan 5 degree, you must be confused. It is very difficult to find out the value of tan 30 degree, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree also. So what you have to do it? Suppose I am finding the tan 5 degree. This tan 5 degree. So what will be the tan 5 degree you want to calculate it? Whenever you want to find out the values of tan 5 degree, if the angle is very small and that can be taken up to the degree of 15 degree, we can calculate the tan values up to the values of 15 degree. If that means the angle is very small, suppose the tan 5 degree is a very small angle, and that tan 5 degree will be equal to tan 5 degree will be, that 5 degree will be converting its radian value. Is radian value. That means tan theta, we talk about the tan theta will be equal to theta. Tan theta will be equal to theta if theta is a very small quantity. So here tan 5 degree is a very small angle. So tan 5 degree will be tending to 5 radian. So what is the value for that one? So tan 5 degree will be nearly equal to 5. Its radian value. So that is that 5 degree will be converted into the radian. So this will be equal to 5. You know 1 degree equal to 1.746 into 10 to the minus 2. So 5 into 1.746 into 10 to the power minus 2 will be its value. So what is the value of the tan 5 degree? Tan 5 degree will be equal to 5 into 1.746 into 10 to the power minus 2. Because these values we cannot get it from the any other sources. So that I am telling you, if the angle is very small, suppose 5 degree, again I am repeating this one, that 5 degree will be converting into its radian value, that must be equal to tan value. So tan 5 degree is equal to the 5 degree which will be converted into radian value, that is 5 into 1 degree equal to 1.746 into 10 to the minus 2. Similarly tan 3 degree, if we talk about the tan 3 degree, so it will be converting into that 3 degree will be converting into the radian value, and the tan value will be equal to its radian value, that is equal to 3 degree. Whenever it is converting into radian, that is 3 into 1.746 into 10 to the minus 2, that is tan 3 degree equal to like that. This is the value of this one, radian value will be converting. That implies that tan theta is tending to theta whenever theta is very small. Another thing is, you must be knowing about what is the 37 degree and 53 degree. I told about the 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, up to 15 degree you can calculate by this method. And again we will be finding some questions in 37 degree and 53 degree. What is the 37 degree and 53 degree? Because you don't know the 37 degree and 53 degree, the value of that, what will be its value? Sin, tan, cos, whatever may be, you can calculate the tan 30 degree, 37 degree, tan 53 degree, sin 53 degree, sin 37 degree, like that. You look at this triangle. It is a right angle triangle. If one side is 3 centimeter or meter, another side is 4 centimeter or meter, then hypotenuse will be the 5 centimeter or meter. If it is the 3, it will be the 4, it will be the 5. You have not observed these things. So what is the angle subtended here in this? Because this is the 90 degree. So the bigger side, that is 4 side, angle opposite will be the 53 degree, and the 3 opposite will be the 37 degree. So it is the must 37 degree and 53 degree. So 37 degree, 53 degree. If you talk about the tan 53 degree, the tan 53 degree will be, what will be its value? Tan 53 degree. Because tan value, tan ratio, you know, equal to height by base, P upon V. So this side 4 upon 3. So what is the tan 53 degree? That is 4 by 3. Directly you can put it. If you talk about the tan 37 degree, tan 37 degree will be equal to, that is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. We can calculate in this manner. Similarly, if you talk about the sine 53 degree, sine 53 degree, so that this will be equal to, sine 53 degree will be equal to P upon H, 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. If you talk about the cos 53 degree, and you are getting 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. So from here you are getting it. What ideas you are getting? That for 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree, you can get it from the trigonometric ratios. These are the different angles for calculation. You don't know, but sometimes used in physics. That is tan 1 degree, tan 3 degree, tan 5 degree, tan 15 degree, and tan 37 degree, and tan 53 degree. And in that way, just let us calculate, let us convert one angle. Suppose calculate 1 second, arc second in radian. 1 second, how it will be converted into radian? So 1 second equal to 1 upon 60 minute, because you know that 1 minute equal to 60 second, and 1 second equal to 1 upon 60 minute. So 1 second equal to 1 upon 60 minute. That is equal to 1 upon 60 into 60 degree, because 1 degree equal to 60 minute, you know it. That is 1 upon 60 into 60 degree. And 1 upon 60 into 60 multiplied with 1 degree, you know it. 1 degree equal to 1.746 into 10 to the power minus 2. You multiply the 1.746 into 10 to the power minus 2. And you are finding 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. So what is the value of 1 second equal to? 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. In that manner, you have to calculate, you have to find the values of different, I am giving you the homework for the different angles, how to be calculated. So calculate, simply you calculate 1 degree, 2 minute, 6 second, 2 minute, 6 second into radian. This is one question. Number 2 question, calculate tan 7 degree. Number 3 questions, find the values of tan 37 degree, sin 53 degree, tan 53 degree, cos 37 degree. Number 4 you calculate, find the value of tan 15 degree into, find the values of tan 15 degree. And number 5 I am telling, convert or calculate 3 degree 21 second into radian. So this 5 you just practice, these 5 questions you practice 3 degree, 21 minute into radian. Along with that, simply you remember the trigonometric ratios. I am sending you the ratios through WhatsApp. Thank you.